Hello everyone, welcome to our next video. Today we will be discussing the practice questions of block 2. So please be ready with your content books and notebooks. While we discuss, you should do the answers. Okay? First, look at page number 7. In page number 7, you are given this picture. Your task is try to identify what is this picture saying and also try to understand why this picture is related to this block. The name of this block is comparing 5-digit numbers. So how is this picture related to this block? This is what you should do in the first place. And second thing what you should do is you should try to find out what this picture is saying. First thing, how it is related. Second, what is this picture about? Okay. Now let's do practice questions. So these are your practice questions. Open your page number 11. Okay. So let's do lesson 1, comparing numbers. I will tell you first question. You should do the second one on your own. Here it is saying write whether true or false. So if it is saying the correct thing, you should write true. If it is not saying the correct thing, you should write false. So 8056 is smaller than 8556. Is it saying correct? So let's check whether it is correct or not. Here it is 8. Here also it is 8. Here it is 0 and here it is 5. So yes, the answer is correct. They are saying that this is smaller than this. Yes, it is correct. So it will be true. You should write it true. Okay. Now do question number B on your own in your notebook. Now next question. Compare the numbers using less than, greater than or equal to sign. So we should use these three numbers and three signs and compare the numbers. In this, I will tell you question number A and question number C. Okay. So let's look at question number A. 58,756 and next one is 5,556. So which one is greater? Easily you can say that 58,756 is greater because in 5,000 there is no 10,000 place. So this one is greater. Now next one, 90,017 or 98,898. So let's compare. Here it is 9. Here also it's 9. Here it is 0, but here it is 10. So which one is bigger? 98,898 is bigger. Always remember the sign, this sign or this sign, the mouth. This is called the mouth and this is the tail. The mouth always opens to the larger number. So here 98,898 is bigger. So the mouth is open towards this 98,898. Okay. Now next one. Which is greater? In this one they are giving you two numbers. The first number is 23,054 and the second number is 20,876. You should tell which number is bigger. So let's do it. First let's write 23,054 using number. So 23,054, right? We will write it like this. 23,054. And the next number is 20,867. So 20,867. So which one is greater they are asking. So let's check which one is greater. So first number is 2. Here also it is 2. Here the next number is 3. But here it is 0. So you can easily say this one is greater. So which is greater? 23,054 is greater than 20,867. Now remember, always remember, अगर आपके starting में बड़ी वाली place आ जाती है तो उसके बाद वाले places doesn't matter. क्योंकि 3 0 से बड़ा है तो उसके बाद वाली प्लेसेस चाहे जितनी भी बड़ी हो, दैट डजंट मैटर. 3 बड़ा है मतलब ये पूरा नंबर बड़ा होगा, दैट डजंट मैटर. ओके, the other places don't matter at all, remember that. So do question number B on your own. Okay, now let's move to lesson 2. In lesson 2 you should arrange the numbers in order. So here look, they are asking predecessor. So predecessor मैंने आप लोग को बताया था, predecessor is a number which is one number before and successor is a number which is one number after. So before means one number small and after means one number big. So here I am going to tell you question number B. Question number A, C and D आप लोग को खुद से करना है. Okay, so here किसी नंबर का प्रेडिसेसर दिया गया है तो प्रेडिसेसर के बाद वाला आपको नंबर लिखना है. तो 9999 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा? What is 9999? It is the greatest 4-digit number. अब greatest 4-digit number के just बाद क्या आता है? Smallest 5-digit number which is 10,000. So here you will write 10,000. Okay. Now, अब 10,000 के बाद देखिए क्या दिया गया है? 10,001. So it is correct. So 10,001, 10,002, 10,003, 10,004 and so on. ऐसे numbers आते जाएंगे. Okay. So this is how you should do A, C and D. Let's move to the next one. Arrange in ascending order. So we will do question number B here and question number A you should do on your own. Question number B. What is ascending order? First, let's recollect what is ascending order. In your video, we have discussed descending and ascending order. So ascending means it goes from down to up. I have given you an example ना कि अगर आप नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं, अपने क्लासरूम में जा रहे हो तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? असेंड कर रहे हैं. लेकिन आप ऊपर अपने क्लासरूम से नीचे लंच एरिया में आ रहे हैं तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? डिसेंड कर रहे हैं. तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स क्या होता है? From small to big. First we will write small and then next and then next and then highest number. Okay. So there are 4 numbers here: 78,126, 89,065, 63,512, 82,650. So which number will you write first? The smallest number. Which is the smallest number here? This one, 63,512. So first you will write this. What is the next smallest number after 63,512? What is next? 78,126. So this will be number 2. Now which will be the third place? Very good. 82,650. Third place. In the third place it will be this one. And last, the largest number is 89,065. So this is the order. First you will write this number, then second, then third and fourth. Okay. Let's move to question number 3. The table shows weights of some members of cat family. You know what is a cat family? Cat family is a group of animals. It is a group of animals which have सेम फीचर्स लाइक कैट. मतलब थोड़े बहुत सेम फीचर्स होते हैं. जैसे हमारी फैमिली होती है, जैसे मेरी फैमिली है, मेरी फैमिली में क्या सब मेरे जैसे दिखेंगे? नहीं, लेकिन हमारी थोड़ी थोड़ी चीजें मिलती होंगी. शायद मेरी नोज किसी से मैच करती हो, शायद मेरी आईज किसी से मैच करती हो, मेरे दादा से या मेरी दादी से, या फिर मेरे हेयर मेरे अंकल से मैच करते हो. ऐसा हो सकता है ना. तो कैट की फैमिली क्या होती है? कैट की एक फैमिली होती है, ग्रुप ऑफ एनिमल्स जिनकी कुछ कुछ चीजें कैट से मिलती जुलती है. जैसे चीता. चीता लुक्स अ लॉट लाइक कैट. उसके ऐसे मुस्टैच होती है. लिंक्स. लिंक्स इज आल्सो एन एनिमल. आप लोग गूगल में सर्च कर सकते हो. वो भी थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलर दिखता है कैट की तरह. लेपर्ड. लेपर्ड तो आप लोग जानते हैं, द फास्टेस्ट एनिमल. एंड लायन. यू ऑल नो व्हाट इज अ लायन. सो ये सारे एनिमल्स कैट फैमिली के एनिमल्स है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो लोग थोड़े बहुत सिमिलर दिखते हैं कैट से. ओके. टाइगर इज आल्सो अ कैट फैमिली, यू नो. ओके. So now here द वेट, किनका वेट दिया गया है, कैट फैमिली के मेंबर्स का वेट दिया गया है। तो फर्स्ट मेंबर का वेट क्या दिया गया है, चीता, चीता का वेट है 60,000 ग्राम्स, यहाँ क्या दिया गया ग्राम्स। लिंक्स, लिंक्स इज एन एनिमल और उसका वेट दिया गया 26,000। leopard, leopard is the animal and its weight is given as 67,000 grams. And lion, the weight of lion is given as 99,000. So say heavy a lion, right? That is why it is the king of the forest or the jungle. Now you should tell who is the heaviest member. Heaviest means kiska sabse zyada weight hai. You know it. It is lion. So you will write lion is the heaviest member. Now question number B. List the members of the cat family in descending order. अब आपको क्या करना है, इनके नेम लिखने हैं in which order? In descending order. So I am doing question number B here. Question number B. Descending means when you come down from your classroom to the lunch area. So from higher place to the lower place. So which is the largest weight? Lion. And next is leopard. And next is cheetah. And last, the lightest weight is lynx. Okay, so this is the name of animals according to their weight in descending order. Okay, now let's move to lesson 3. Forming numbers. So we should form numbers here. Fill in the blanks. The smallest 4-digit number formed by the digits 0, 2, 4 and 8. 0, 2, 4 और 8 use करके आपको smallest number form करना है. So what is the smallest number? Is the smallest number like this? Can we write it as 0, 2, 4 and 8? This will be a small. But is this 4-digit number? यहाँ पे 4-digit बोल रहा है, लेकिन अगर हम लोग स्टार्टिंग में 0 लगाते हैं तो क्या उस 0 की वैल्यू रह जाती है? No. So what will we do? We will exchange 0 and 2. We will write here. First we will write 2 and then we will write 0. So 2048. Now this is a 4-digit number. The smallest possible 4-digit number using these 4 digits 0, 2, 4 और 8 को use करके ये सबसे smallest number बन सकता है. अब सबसे largest क्या बन सकता है? You got it? 8420 क्योंकि last में 0 लगाने से तो value रहती है. Now question number B you should do on your own. What is the greatest number they are asking? Next question number 2. Make the smallest and greatest 5-digit number using 5, 1, 2, 4 and 7. So let's do it here. So first we will write the smallest number. Here this is question number 2. So the smallest number is what? The smallest number will be 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7. So it is 12,467. This is the smallest number. And now you should write the largest number. They are asking greatest. So we will write greatest. So greatest number is 75,421. Okay. This is how we do in question number 2. Now, question number 3 is make the smallest and greatest 5-digit number using 5, 0 and 1. अब यहाँ पे देखिए एक प्यारा सा twist आ रहा है. Here they are asking to make the smallest and greatest 5-digit number. 5-digit number हमें बनाना है, लेकिन हमें digits कितने दिए गए? सिर्फ 3 दिए गए हैं, 5, 0 and 1. तो मैम अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? No problem, you can repeat the numbers. तो आप कौन से numbers repeat करेंगे? अगर आपको smallest number बनाना हो तो आप smaller वाले number को repeat करेंगे. अगर आपको largest number बनाना हो तो आप larger वाले number को repeat करेंगे. So first we will form the smallest number. So smallest number बनाने के लिए first we will write 1 And then smallest number कौन सा है? 0. तो 0 को हम लोग repeat करेंगे. 1 minute. I will write it here. So first, for writing the smallest number, what will we do? We will write 1 and then we will write. So here it will be 1, and because 0 is the smallest number, it will repeat, and then last we'll have 5. So the answer is 10,005. This is the smallest possible number using the 3 digits 5, 0 and 1. Now we should make the largest possible number. For making the largest possible number, we should repeat the larger number. So 5 will be repeated 3 times, and then 1 and 0. So it will be 55,510. So please do all these answers in your notebook, and you can send me either on mail or on my Google Classroom. We will do lesson 4 in the next video. Bye-bye.